everybody has that one thing in their life that they are just dying to do. And as for me, as for us, as for everyone, it is playing music. And we can't stop this feeling. I got this feeling inside my bones. It goes electric wavy when I turn it on. All through my city, all through my heart. We're going up no ceiling when we're in our zone. I've got that rosin in my pocket, and I've got my music sheets and my cello, cause I've locked it so we don't drop. They can't take their eyes off me, moving so phenomenally. Say Jean-Marc the way we rock it, so don't stop. Cause under the lights, when everything goes, nowhere to hide when we're moving our bones. When we groove, when we play every note. So just imagine nothing I would rather do than just blow, blow, blow. Feeling good, good as I move my head when I blow, blow, blow. Come on, all those things that I ignore cause I blow, blow, blow. And there's nothing that is stopping me now when I'm rolling. I can't stop the feeling. 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 If you can't stop the feeling, just like we can't stop this feeling, then I would love it that you would join Antidote Orchestra.